Stephen Duffy.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. And can I welcome the Secretary of State to his role and wholeheartedly agree with what he just said on climate change. It's indeed climate change that's affected Somaliland, which you'll know I'm Secretary of the All-Party Group on Somaliland, and we recently welcomed the Finance Minister. Could he say what steps his department is taking to support the upcoming parliamentary elections in Somaliland and also the talks between Somaliland and Somalia? And will he meet your party group to discuss what we can do to support that fantastic country?
First thing is to pay huge tribute to the work of the APPG on Somaliland. Somaliland, as all members of the House will know, is actually a really remarkable success story. Somalia itself has been through a very difficult situation. Somaliland is a small miracle in a sea of difficulty. We worked very closely, of course, on the last presidential elections. We will be supporting the new parliamentary elections coming forward. I was lucky enough on my last visit to Somaliland to meet the gentleman who is now the President. I think there is much more we can do, and I would be delighted to sit down with the honourable gentleman to discuss all those issues.